Dr. Sudhanshu Trivedi, I want to ask you, is the BJP doing this for the sake of politics? That's the allegation that the opposition is making on you and your party. But the question is also that you've been in power for 8 years at the center and several years in 5 years in Uttar Pradesh as well. Why is it becoming so important today to make such a demonstration of governance through removal of loudspeakers?
Navika ji, it has not just become important right now. You remember the last election, the bulldozer was a big symbol. And in थोड़ी इको हो रही, इसको ठीक करवा दीजिएगा. Even during the UP elections, a Bhojpuri line was also very popular during the campaign कि बिलवा में घुस जाए सब सांप बिच्छू गोजर चलेला जब चाप के बाबा का बुलडोजर. And it's not that. 1,886 crore property of those who are criminals and those who are accused of those type of things which are illegal, it has been done by the Yogi government. So the problem is with one sect of people or the set of politicians who try to find out political angle in every illegal angle, who try to find out morality in every illegality. This is the problem. That's why it's not the issue of encroachment, whether it is the issue of illegal weapons, they are with the accused. If it is the issue of any crime, they are with the accused. If it is the issue of terror, they are with the accused. So on every illegal matter, they are trying to find a political matter. So I just want to say the Yogi ji's government has taken a very upright, just, unbiased approach. We have ordered to removal of loudspeakers from every place of worship. उसमें तो किसी का नाम ही नहीं लिया है. Then why you are trying to make? And on Omar Abdullah, I would like to say, first, I would like to remind on 24th of October 1947, the instrument of accession signed by Maharaja Hari Singh was having no condition at all. And it was the only case, I would like to remind, that Kashmir was the only state which was not secular. Because in 1976, when the secular world was added, with an alibi of 370, the Kashmir Assembly never adopted that constitutional amendment. So it becomes secular on August 2019. And they are trying to give a sermon. And one more thing, उन्होंने ये बात कही कि कभी किसी ने किसी दूसरे के लिए कहा, तो I would like to remind, in Perambur district of Tamil Nadu, there was a village Koltar in which the 70% population has become Muslim. Then they have said that पूजा अर्चना मंदिर में बंद कर दीजिए, हमारी धार्मिक भावना आहत होती है, कोई आरती नहीं होनी चाहिए, कोई घंटा नहीं बजना चाहिए. And none of the champions of secularism from north to south has spoken a single word. Even the DMK government has virtually succumbed to them. Then fortunately Madras High Court came and they said this cannot be a basis that you have become 70%, so you will stop the puja archana and other things. So that thing was restored. So this is just an example of what they say with a totally biased, myopic, lopsided, to the extent I can say that you can say कि जो support करते हैं communal angle पे, to the extent of criminal angle you support the communal angle. And on the us, if you see, we are justified without any favor or without any fear.
Mr. Kamruzaman Chaudhary, respond to that. You know, if Tamil Nadu can recommend that there should be no mandirs because there is a majority Muslim population, nobody, not a single cry, as Sudhanshu Trivedi ji points out, but loudspeaker, removal of loudspeaker is now such a big issue that virtually the narrative of the country about Muslims being on target is being created when Yogi Adityanath, Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, is removing it from all places of worship only to keep the Supreme Court order, the Allahabad High Court order in mind. Why is it becoming a divisive issue and who's making it divisive?
Navika, very good evening to you and your fellow panelists out here. First and foremost, when we are discussing the use of microphone or use of mics in religious institutions, let me just remind you one very important thing. Whether azan from the mosque is an interesting part of Islam, whether use of loudspeakers have been used from time immemorial or whether it was used only for the last 7 to 8 years. यानी कि इसका मतलब होता है 2014 से पहले हमको कोई डिस्टरबेंस नहीं हो रहा था. अब 2014 से जब हिंदुस्तान आजाद हुआ अकॉर्डिंग टू सुधांशु जी, तब ये सारा प्रॉब्लम आ गया. हमारा खाने पीने पे इनको प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, हमारा रहन सहन पे इनको प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, हमारा मस्जिदों में जगह नहीं होता है तो हम रास्ता में पढ़ते हैं तो इनको प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, हमारा अजान से इनको प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, हमारा दाढ़ी टोपी में इनको प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. This is the level of degradation that these people have brought the India to. Now, when the communities have decided amicably in Uttar Pradesh that they are not going to use the loudspeaker as per the administration's directive, so amicably that issue is being settled at the Uttar Pradesh level and at the mosque or at the mandir level. So I think Sudhanshu Ji and his party has lost a very big issue that they wanted to highlight before this and on in their continuing what you call this in their quest for dividing the society on religious lines. But according to me personally, I feel that whatever decisions regarding such sensitive issues need to be taken has to be taken amicably. And if you want to impose your faith, your culture on mine, then there will be a clash point. There will be a conflict of interest.
But it is
and when the
amicable.
society
It
gets
is
divided.
amicable in Uttar Pradesh. Yogi Adityanath has not had any problems. Dr. Anand Ranganathan, have there been any problems in Uttar
I also
Pradesh
said
in the
so. There is
removal
no
of
problem, ma'am. There
loudspeakers?
is no problem.
Why is Mr. Kamru Zaman Chaudhary or why is the Shiv Sena so worried that it will not be amicable in Maharashtra?
Good evening, Navika, and good evening to all my fellow panelists. Navika, I have said this before, and looking at what my good friend Mr. Chaudhary said just a few seconds ago, it is very clear that Navika, I have a debit card, you have a credit card, and Mr. Chaudhary has a victim card. जैसे ही कुछ प्रॉब्लम होती है, victim card बाहर आ जाता है. ये जैसे कह रहे हैं कि हमारी ड्रेस पे आपको हमारी दाढ़ी पे प्रॉब्लम है, हिजाब पे प्रॉब्लम है, लाउड स्पीकर पे प्रॉब्लम. अरे भाई, कोर्ट का वर्डिक्ट है ये. मुझे तो ये डर लगता है कि जब मिस्टर चौधरी पेट्रोल स्टेशन पे जाते हैं पेट्रोल भराने के लिए, वहां पे भी विक्टिम कार्ड से पे करते होंगे. क्या रे भाई, मुस्लिम कंट्री से पेट्रोल आता है और ये हिंदुत्व गवर्नमेंट मोदी ने इतना टैक्स लगाया हुआ, हमें फ्री में दो, ये लो विक्टिम कार्ड. क्या चल रहा है यहाँ पे? But coming back to this topic, Navika, Yogi Adityanath is truly ushering in a silent revolution, pun not intended. And to paraphrase George Orwell, in a time of universal minority appeasement, following a court order becomes a revolutionary act. All Yogi is doing, there is praise being heaped upon him. I am praising him, you are praising everyone. But the fact is, he is following a court order. अब इसमें दो प्रॉब्लम है और सुधांशु जी से भी मेरी कंप्लेंट है. ये भी ग्लोइंग प्रेज कर रहे हैं योगी जी को, लेकिन बीजेपी के 12 और 15 और स्टेट्स हैं, वो क्यों नहीं फॉलो कर रहे थे कोर्ट ऑर्डर? Why did it require a Yogi Adityanath? Why did it require a Yogi Adityanath to go and follow and dismantle 30,000 illegal loudspeakers? Why are they there in Gujarat? Why are they there in Karnataka? Why is it that in Yogi
Kishore
Adityanath,
Tiwari
Uttar
ji.
Pradesh,